These are no ordinary bicycle tubes. These extra strong inner tubes stop flats for 2 years because there is slime inside. Slime Tube Sealant seeks out and instantly seals punctures in your tubes up to 1/8, 3 mm, using Fibro-Seal Technology. Designed specifically to stop tube punctures from ruining your ride and keep you going. Schrader Valve tube, that installs like any traditional inner tube and full instructions inside every value 2 pack. Environmentally friendly. Non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble. Top reviews from the United States. Much better than others. Bought my son a bike at Walmart for Christmas, and the first time he went to ride it, both tires were popped. He made it 10 feet. Ordered him tubes 2 different times, 2 different places, and bam, flats right away. Got these, had them about a month and no issues at all. Work great, and he can finally ride his bike almost 6 months after he got it for Christmas.